Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. Sorry I've been gone. I had some family in town for a couple of weeks, so it was kind of hard to find the time between work and spending time with them to come down and film. But here I am. One of you guys sent me this mold. And I just realized there's a little stick. Let me unstuck it. Hopefully. There we go. So this is a spoon rest mold. And it looks really, really big. I mean, it is really, really big. But actually, it's actually not that deep. So it only goes to there. And I didn't even notice, because I just took this out of the packaging. I didn't even notice that... yeah, it looks like it's not going to be that much resin, so I'm very happy about that. My only concern with this is how floppy this mold is. So I'm wondering if I should put something under it to try and support it, but I don't know what I would even use under there to try and support it. Yeah, because that didn't really do much of anything. I don't know. This one, it's gonna be super simple. It's just gonna be, I'm gonna do a little bit of clear with some gold flakes in it, and then, so it's gonna be a two-part pour. So I'm gonna do a little bit of clear with gold flakes just around the edge, hopefully, and then the rest of it will be black, hopefully. So we're gonna get our resin warmed up. Super simple. Get our resin warmed up and hopefully get it poured in there. It doesn't look like it's going to be too bad, or too difficult, I should say, to release any trapped bubbles in it, like around the edges and stuff. So yeah, should be pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get our resin warmed up and we will get started. Alright friends, well, should we see how it looks? I can already tell you there is a giant bubble right there. When I was pouring the black in, I tried to fill in that bubble, but yeah, that wasn't working. Okay. So clearly I was not supposed to fill that up as much as I did, but that's okay. This was like a test, you know, to see what I needed to do. Just trying to loosen it up around this part. Whew. Come on, baby. This one piece just does not want to come out. Also, it's a lot more clear with gold than I wanted. I'm not one of those smart creators who measures their things before mixing up their resin, so there we go. Finally got it. Okay, let me get this back into shape. All right. And there we go. I don't rightly know what the hole is for. Maybe if you want to stick the handle of like your wooden spoon in it. I don't know. I mean, it's super pretty. Do not get me wrong. Definitely, if you get this mold, don't fill it all the way to the top because it creates that little thing. I would fill it up to, you can see that line right there, right? I would fill it up to that line because that's where it's naturally meant to end, I think. And then that's the giant bubble that I was talking about. But it actually doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I like it. What do you guys think? And it doesn't use all that much resin. I want to say that I used probably no more than 250 milliliters. No more than that on this. So, if you are planning to buy this mold, I would suggest, what would I suggest? What am I thinking? I think this would be a good mold for selling pieces, like if you do it at a farmer's market or a crafter's market, that kind of thing. I think this would be a good piece for that. I'm also looking at right here in the handle. Can you see how this part is matte? It's not shiny at all. I was wondering if maybe you could get away with not even pouring that piece. But even if you tried to do that, you know, to pour just in the handle part, this is all going to start filling that up anyway before this will even stay. So, yeah, I'm not sure. You could shine it up with like an extra layer of resin, like a top coat of resin right there. But it's just really odd that that one little piece is matte. But either way, I really enjoy the way that this looks. I really think it's great. It's huge, obviously. It's enormous. But it's actually not as big as I thought it would be. So yeah. I don't know. I really like this one. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.